Welcome to Gul-e-ZahraArt.
Today we draw a cute monkey with banana. Let's start the video. Assalamu alaikum, my friends. Now start. Draw a monkey. Draw the ears.
Round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Draw the eyes. Draw the eyes.
The wheels on the bus. Wheels on the bus.
Draw the body of a monkey.
Swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town.
The banana. Darker the outline. Let's start the color. Here is my magical crayons. Let's begin the magic.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.